we'll continue on using Ansible and using the inventories that we created for Ansible. And what we're going to do in this situation is create what's called a playbook, where we take each inventory and we install software or run a particular service or edit some configuration files on our server. And Ansible will use the playbook, which is a step-by-step process of the functions that I need to do on this machine, and it'll run them one by one. So to get started, I want to show what a simple playbook is. So this is a playbook. Ansible uses this playbook to, in what's called a YAML format, to do this certain tasks that I define. Each task comes with a name. It comes with the instructions on how to accomplish that task. Some things could be even like creating certain files or in directories. And I'm going to show you that this format is just as simple to understand as anything else. In fact, I find it easier to understand than JSON. So to start a YAML file, you want to use 3 dashes on line 1. And what this does is it tells the compiler that you're going to be using a YAML file. This is the right format. I'm going to define my host group. In this case, I want this to run on the group called all, or I have an inventory group called web servers, but I'll just leave it as all for now, so that all of my servers will do these tasks that I've outlined. So these tasks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different tasks with what's called a handler. And I'll get to that in just a moment. We're going to become true. What this means is that we're telling Ansible to connect to the machine and use sudo to escalate the privileges of the commands. So there's going to be certain commands that require administrative privileges, and we're going to use the sudo command on our host machine to run these different commands. The tasks here are, again, outlined by their name. This is to update packages and upgrade. This is what the task will do, and it's just a message for the user to know what this task is going to do. And we're going to be using the apt package manager in Ubuntu by default to update my cache, which is set to true, upgrade, which is dist, and force apt get, which is true. I want you to take a look at these things and see that over every keyword, in this case task, it's spaced out. So there's a dash to represent that the file itself, this is the root level of the file. It has settings for everything here. And then when I define the task, I use the colon and then tab it over one space.